Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a macro for AGON AGM600. To do this, first you will need to download software Gmany, then when it's installed select your mouse and navigate to the macro. Right here we'll be able to create our macro. You can enter a name right here. Then change the different option like delay, and we can set it to recording, fixed 20 milliseconds, or ignore it. After that we can start recording our macro, so click on start and then start pressing any buttons that you want to include in the macro. So for example, I'm gonna go with holding a control, then clicking on C, and then I'm gonna let go of the both buttons, and as you can see there's a full record of that macro. We can save it, or I just press the mouse, it doesn't matter actually, and then basically save it. Now to assign it to one of the buttons, we can move to the mouse, customize, and then select whichever button you want to assign this macro to. So let's go for number 8 and then select our macro. Change repeat rate one time or until you press any macro key to end. Repeat until macro key is released. Then we can confirm it, and as you can see our macro is assigned to 8 button on the mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.